Hi, welcome to Dao Shows You How. I'm Dao. In this video, I'm gonna show you an awesome old school sewing hack that I recently learned for creating the sharpest, flattest creases possible in your fabric. And here is an old school Tailors clapper tool that anybody can make at home using a piece of wood in a few minutes. And now some of you might know what this does, but if you don't, then this video is for you. So let's see how it works. Okay, now I have my ironing board ready, and I'm gonna use a regular iron, but if you have a steam iron, that will be great. So I'm gonna use some water to create the steam, and here I have two pieces of fabric that I already sewn them together. So I want this steam as flat as possible and stay flat as long as possible. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press my iron on the seam, just like this, okay, and hold it for a while to create heat. Okay, now spray some water on and press the iron on one more time to create the steam. Now use this little tool to press it on the fabric, and what this does is it helps to keep the moisture and the heat into the fabric, and you just hold it there, count 1 to 5 or until the fabric cool down a little. Now you have this flat seam, so nice. And next I'm going to show you how it does to the hem. So I'm going to start with the edge of the fabric here, fold it in and use your iron and press it on. Okay, one more time like that. Then spray some water on, and now create the steam. Press the iron on one more time, and we're gonna do exactly the same like we just did. Press this clapper on the fabric, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's see the result, and I'm gonna show you this. Oh, look at the crease there, very sharp. I'm really happy with this handy little tool, and it really helps to make your projects look more professional. And it also works with different thickness of fabric, all the way up to a quilt. And so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching. This has been Dao Shows You How. I'm Dao, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies higher and higher.